my Crazy About Chicks people. Today I want to show you what my brooder looks like. Yeah, we're going to go in and then I'll show you what it looks like. Let's start with the incubator. So here we have some baby chicks starting to hatch, and they're going to go out this afternoon. The eggs are in there also, so as soon as the chicks come out, the next batch will move down. We have our lists here where we see when we have to move them to the hatching trays, and then when we need to put the new ones in. So I also, when I have to put the new ones in, because we have our eggs here in the cupboard. We have our eggs here which we collect, and then every 7 days we put them in. So and here's our little baby chickens. They stay here. There's some quails that side. Yeah, so we leave them in here for 3 weeks. On week 4, we move them out to the outside cages where they grow up. And yeah, we're not advertising at this moment. We actually want to get our chicks from 1 day old to point of lay, so that I have enough chickens to sell to you. And these our chickens for the house eggs. So they just walk around. They just walk around outside here. We don't sell them. We don't sell these eggs. That's just for the house. And there's the little living area where they are very happy. So now I'm going to show you my my quails and the breeding boxes for the quails. Yeah, so the budgies and the cockatiel, they just hobbies. But here's the quails inside. So you have breeding pairs inside here. Well, 1 male and 3 females. With the white ones and the speckled ones. And here you can see some eggs inside. They lay almost more eggs than chickens. They are big, good egg layers. We are not hatching at this point any more quails, because we don't have space in our hatcher for the quail eggs. But we will upgrade that in time. And that's all for today. Next time I will go more in depth. Yeah, have a good day, my chicken people.